Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am adding the final touches to my quilted chore coat pattern using these beautiful little floral snaps. I'm going to show you how I install them. I will have a link for the tools and the snaps that I use in the description of this YouTube video. To start with, I'm going to mark the position of my snaps. I'm going to take my ruler. I think I want my first snap to be right here, about 18 inches. And my lowest snap to be here at about 3 inches. I'm going to make a little mark with my Sharpie right here. Normally I wouldn't use a Sharpie, but I'm going to punch out that portion of fabric and a dot right here. So this is 15 inches between my dots, so I'm going to want another dot every 5 inches. So one at 8, one at 13. I'm just going to lay these on and make sure I like the way that it looks. Yep, I'm pretty happy with that placement. While I'm here, I'm also going to mark the other side. Now I'm going to zoom in and show you on this one button how to install your snaps. To begin, I find this section of the fastener, squeeze my fabric between it, and you can see that little hole. On the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. I have these two pieces put in. So I'm going to take the top of my button and the fastener portion, put the top part through the hole. Now it's important here to make sure that this is placed correctly so that you don't distort your snap. You can see how I have it situated right here. And just squeeze together. And there I have my snap in place. I'm going to take my other two pieces, this piece right here, this one right here. This piece goes through on the back. Your snap goes on the front. Actually need to change out these pieces on my fastener. This one is shaped to receive the top part of the button. I'm going to place it on like so. Squeeze it together. And there you have it. And it just snaps in place. So that's how you install those buttons. I'll have all of the information linked in the description. Come back and join me for more tutorials in the future.